This is just a quick short on how to apply dock wax to a piece. The first thing I did, I applied clear wax to the entire piece. You want to have a clear wax coating on your piece before applying dock wax. Next, I took my dock wax using a chip brush and applied it to the medallion on the piece. I worked around the entire piece and then added shadowing to the edge. Next, with a steel wool, lightly buff off excess wax. Work around the entire portion until you're satisfied with the color. After it's completely dry in a couple of hours, you're going to take a soft cloth and buff the rest. Next, I added dark wax to the edges of the pieces along the bottom and the corners of the piece to have a shadowing worn effect. I used the same steel wool to buff off any excess. Do not push very hard with the steel wool as it will remove all the wax. So you want to use light pressure when you're using the steel wool. Continue around the entire piece that you're working on until you're satisfied. Allow the wax to set up for a couple of hours and then go back and buff it off. If you ever have an issue where you don't like the dock wax that you applied, you can use mineral spirits to wipe off the wax and start over.